have been 10 years experience of makeup artist, and I will reveal today's secret technique. Using this technique, you will become professional makeup artist. 90% of successful makeup artists use this technique. My name is Meera. I am doing makeup artist course at Almighty Makeup Academy. Today I am doing a proper CTM routine. Today I will teach you how to do perfect CTM. These are the products of CTM: oil, cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and the cotton pads, plate and earbuds. Just look at the face, how it's so dry and it's completely too makeup face. So we have to clean now. First take the oil and spray it on the plate. Take the earbud to clean the mascara, kajal. If it is on extra oil, so we have to clean on our hands only. We have to clean this very slow because eyes are very sensitive now, and we have to wipe off complete kajal from the eyes. It is a cleanser. First we have to shake the bottle and pour it on the cotton pad with dapping. So see how the dirt came from the face. So this is the face after the cleansing. This is the toner. Toner helps the balance of skin pH level. So we have to spray like this. And all the face cover with the toner. So now we are going to apply moisturizer. Take a plate and pump the moisturizer. For her face, we have to take this much of quantity. First, we have to rub our hands with the moisturizer. Take the moisturizer gently. Do in the circular motion. Repeat this process 5 to 6 times according to our skin. See how the face was glowing after the CTM. Look at the glow, no makeup, how it's glowing. This is the secret of every successful makeup artist. Behind them glowing makeup. For this knowledge and technique, follow our page. Join Almighty Makeup Studio.